Hey. Hi. Hey, hi. Hey, I am Robin. I'm coming to you live, not live, from Hamburg in Germany. I'm originally from South Africa and I wanted to show you around this little place. This is my 43 square meter apartment. When I moved in here about a year and a bit ago, it did not look like this. It was dark, it was drab, it was not the fun place that I have changed into. But my landlord made the rookie error of saying,
"Do whatever you want."
Famous last words, landlord. No, I do in fact have it on good authority from him that he plans to gut the whole place when I move out. So a little bit sad, but we won't get into that right now. So let me give you a little look-see around if you would like to see. Let's go. And why not start right here? Because this is one of the first projects that I undertook was painting this wall. There's the bed and everything, and this was just like a case of finding this picture on Pinterest and being like, wow, I really love it, and let me recreate it. So I just did a little outline in pencil and then basically hand drew the whole thing. Roll the tape, as they say. All right, and then on this side we have the lounge. This was one of my most recent DIY projects, was painting this gigantic mural on the wall, which I'm pretty super happy with. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like a little cozy, comfy little space. Lots and lots of art. I've put on as many reflective surfaces as possible to bounce in as much light as possible. So you'll see the mirror, you'll see this little reflective vinyl thing that I made, just to make sure that there is light bouncing all over the space. From there, let's head into the bathroom. This was a beige, teeny tiny little bathroom when I moved in. So I painted everything white and went with this electric blue detail, did a little hand stencil, and boom, made it a bit fresher and brighter. Okay, last but not least, this is the kitchen. So again, this was a really dark space when I moved in. This was a dark green, and I decided to go with a red and pink color scheme in the kitchen just to liven things up a little bit, make it quite fun and bold and bright. Here you can see the other side. It's just a little bit more vibrant and exciting, and a place where you want to come and eat breakfast in the morning. I'm such a natural. Thanks for joining a little home tour with me today. And if you would like to see more content like this, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, follow, like. Oh, I feel so cringy saying those things, but this is the world that we live in. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.